Hi guys, welcome to my review of my Indesit fridge freezer model SN904460. As you can see, it's sort of a fairly standard fridge freezer appliance, not too bulky and fairly tall in stature. What I'm now going to do is show you the inside. Again, fairly standard. You have your 3 separate shelves and 2 additional vegetable drawers. At the sides you also have the added storage for larger, bulkier items. The temperature gauge is also situated just at the top of the appliance. Okay, so I'm now going to show you the freezer. Okay, now this is me pulling the freezer with all my strength, and unfortunately it won't open. We have had to defrost the freezer on countless occasions, and unfortunately it continues to freeze over. As a family, we have now been restricted just to eating fresh food and are unable to freeze any food or buy any frozen items. All in all, I certainly would not recommend this Indesit fridge freezer due to the problems that we have encountered. Thank you for watching my review of my Indesit, and very reluctantly to say, freezer.